there, I'm here at 34102 Zaner Way in Union City. Very prestigious neighborhood, Talavera neighborhood with over $2.5 million homes surrounded by them. Just a nice neighborhood, quiet, peaceful. You're gonna love this home. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 18 square footage. And as you enter, you can see the beautiful Brazilian flooring, the high ceilings, and the recessed lighting, with a half bathroom downstairs. Upstairs is the primary bedroom with 2 more bedrooms and an additional bathroom. The neighborhood here, very close to, probably a block away, you have the Accinalli park, just for the neighborhood. On this side, you have the trail, Alameda Creek Trail, that takes you to the shoreline. And then you have the neighborhood stores and amenities. Just a wonderful property. Solar for high efficiency, and a 2-car garage. Just a wonderful home. Let's go take a look at it. By the way, I'm inviting you this coming Saturday, July 12th, from 1 to 3 p.m. is our first open house. Call me with any questions. Leticia at 925-216-7720.